As day traders and swing traders, we love stocks with earnings, but there's a lot of things you need to know as well as avoid. Be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as one of these new how-to videos hits. Below, let me know, do you trade earnings stocks? Let me know yes or no in the comments. Many of you might have found this video because you're looking to trade earnings stocks. Whether you're watching CNBC, whether you're on Twitter, anywhere, maybe it's the mainstream media news, you'll hear about a stock announcing earnings and moving big. And you're wondering, okay, how can I capitalize on that? There's a couple things that are often misunderstood that I want to break down today. So the first is, we love to trade earnings winners, okay? Sounds good. Stock is an earnings winner. Sounds like it made a lot of money. Sounds like the future prospects are big. But the biggest thing you need to focus on is when we in day trading and swing trading circles talk about an earnings winner, that does not necessarily mean the financials are good. Because remember, these stocks can move inversely to what the earnings statements are because of the fact that often it's a, buy the rumor, sell the news type situation. So even if a stock makes money, a company makes money, it might not have made as much money as the market suspected. So if this is a company that's been trending up for days or weeks or even months, and everyone expects a bigger number, a bigger sales number, a bigger revenue number, even if they're profitable, if that number doesn't meet market expectations, the stock can drop rapidly. We've seen this many times with a huge company like Apple. Look up earnings dates in your StocksToTrade and look what Apple does post earnings. Quite frequently, they can make billions of dollars, but the stock goes down. Sometimes they announce record sales and the stock price goes down. That's because the market expectations weren't met. So we want to focus on the stocks that are moving up, moving big in relation to earnings. That's what we call an earnings winner. And this is the thing you need to focus on. That stock could be losing money. It could be, you could look at the earnings report and see a stock that has declining sales, declining revenues, bad red flags all over the earnings report, but it spikes. Remember what I said a few minutes ago, the inverse can be true. If the market expected this company to lose even more money, if they expected it to lose $1 billion and they only lost $200 million, then that is very often a very bullish indicator because they lost $800 million less than the market expected. So when you're screening for those stocks, this is something I do every day during earnings season. Remember, earnings season happens 4 times a year. I'm screening for stocks with earnings, obviously, stocks that have more than 50,000 shares traded in pre-market, and are up more than 5% on the day. 3 simple criteria, then you can break down by price. I like to look at earnings winners under $20, but this now gives you a stock that has the earnings, has the volume, and has the big move, 5% or more. Then from there, you don't even necessarily need to break down that earnings that much because the market is telling you that this stock is an earnings winner. So I want you to focus on stocks that are moving big. Don't fall in love with the earnings statement. They can bury a lot of information in there, and you can often end up with a losing trade simply because you focus on the fundamentals. And you could say, well, wait, sales are up, profits are up, this stock has to go up. It doesn't have to go up. Only price pays. Write that down, stick it on your sticky note on your monitor. None of the news matters, none of the earnings matters, only price pays. Focus on those stocks that are moving big, high volume, big moves to the upside on earnings with volume, and those are the real earnings winners. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos, and be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.